In this video, we're going to look at how to back up and restore your settings in ZebraCut. You might want to do this in order to send technical support a copy of your settings in order to replicate a problem. So, to do this, we're going to go to Rhino, and I'm going to go to the Settings tab. So if you click those three dashes there, you'll see the Settings tab is the one that looks like a gear. On the Settings tab, you'll see the Backups menu, and you can then create a backup. Now, a backup is saved every day that you launch ZebraCut. So once every day that you launch ZebraCut, a backup is stored, and around the last 90 days worth of backups will be stored. So if I want to create a new backup, I can create a new one. I could save it anywhere on my computer, but by default, we save the backups into C, BW, Backups, ZebraCut. So if I make a backup here for technical support, and I press save, you'll see it's told me that it's creating the backup, and it tells me that it completes the saving of the backup. That zip file can then be attached to an email and sent to technical support in order to help them replicate any issues encountered. If I need to restore my settings, maybe I've broken some settings for a process or something, and I want to restore it to how it was before, again, I'll go to the gear icon, I'll go to Backups, this time I'll go to Load, and then I can select the backup. So I could load the settings that we just created, and it will then tell you to finish restoring the ZebraCut backups, you'll need to restart Rhino. And once you've done that, your settings will be restored. Now, if you're an advanced user or an engineer, you can look at the extract and the switch options. Essentially, the extract options allow you to take a customer's backup and extract it to a new location on your computer, maybe CBW customers. And then once you've got several of these different backups extracted, you can switch between them using the switch option, and it helps you to make your ZebraCut just as if it was the customer's ZebraCut. So that can be very useful. But as I say, if you're just a customer, all you should need to do really is to create and load backups, and backup is taken once every day that you start ZebraCut. So you always have around 90 days worth of backups for your settings in case of any problems. Thank you very much.